special guest of honor, His Excellency, the President of the Federal Republic of Nigeria, President Bola Ahmed Tinubu, GCFR, His Excellency Senator Kashima Shettima, GCON, Vice President of the Federal Republic of Nigeria, His Excellency Dixon Amis Thomas Mitchell, Prime Minister of Grenada, His Excellency Abu Kefas, the Governor of Taraba State, the visionary leader of this important state, Your Excellency, the Honorable Minister of Art, Culture, Tourism and Creative Economy, Honorable Hanutu Musa Musawa, Esquire. It is a great honor to represent His Excellency John Dramani Mahama and the people of the Republic of Ghana on this Nwonyo annual traditional fishing festival. President John Dramani Mahama extends his warmest greetings and heartfelt congratulations to His Excellency the Governor of Taraba State, Governor Abu Kefas, to the Royal Father of the Day, His Majesty Akukuka, and to the traditional authority, the people of Ibi, and the entire Agyekum nation on this occasion of profound cultural significance. Also, I extend to the federal government of Nigeria our solidarity and best wishes. I further recognize the distinguished presence of His Excellency the Prime Minister of Grenada, His Excellency Dixon Mitchell, a brother nation across the Atlantic, bound to us by shared ancestry and common heritage. Your Excellency's presence in this powerful reminder that culture is a bridge across the oceans. Distinguished invited guests, this festival is not merely an event. It is history made visible